Coach Times Square Tabby Shoulder Bag with Quilting is a stylish and versatile accessory that combines timeless design with modern flair. Crafted from high-quality quilted leather, this bag exudes sophistication and durability. Inspired by the dynamic energy of our hometown New York City, the Times Square Tabby Bag is a modern take on an archival 1972 Coach design. Review: the Coach Times Square Tabby Shoulder Bag with Quilting has received positive reviews for its sleek design, comfortable wear, and spacious interior. Many customers appreciate the versatility of the adjustable straps, allowing them to carry the bag as a shoulder bag or a crossbody. The quilted texture adds a touch of texture and visual interest, while the signature Coach hardware provides a finishing touch of luxury. Color: the bag is available in a variety of colors, including black, chalk, merlet, and more. Price: the price of the Coach Times Square Tabby Shoulder Bag with Quilting may vary depending on the retailer and any ongoing promotions. However, it typically falls within the range of $405. Overall, the Coach Times Square Tabby Shoulder Bag with Quilting is a stylish and functional accessory that offers a blend of classic design and modern versatility. Its high-quality materials, comfortable wear, and spacious interior make it a great choice for everyday use or special occasions.